Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add this cool animation on your webflow whenever the user hover over any section of your website. I'm currently creating this tutorial, but I feel I should share this with you before I release the main tutorial. If you want to see the complete video on how I create this website from the beginning to the end, please kindly hit the subscribe button so that when I release this video, you will be notified. To get started, you have to make sure that every of the section in your web page is arranged in a frame. So you see, if I click all the sections here, you see they are all arranged in frames. So it's going to be easy for me to animate this. So now let's grab this section here and then drop this outside here. To perform the animation, I'm going to select the hero section now and then convert this to a component. Once you've done that, let's click on the plus sign here to create a variant for that. Now in this section here, that's where we have the text. This is where I want to carry out the animation. So make sure that you're not using auto layout because we want to be able to move these items around. So now double click to select the section here, and then I'll double click to select this text here. So because this is a frame, we have to make sure that we're clipping our items to content so that we can easily hide items when they are outside this frame. So double click on the text and then hold shift to push this quickly. So now this is outside my frame. Then I'm going to hold this, press shift on your keyboard, hold this, and we're going to push this to the left hand side. So completely, and I'll do the same thing for this. Hold this and then we can push this completely till it's gone. So now that we have this, I think the text is the only thing I want to animate in this section. So now the secret is the prototyping. So we're going to come in here, select this item here, and then once we select the prototype, we can click this and then drag this to point to this next item here. Now this is going to be when the mouse enter this screen. Then we want to switch to this other item here. Then it should be smart animate. You can set that to slow so that it doesn't waste so much time. If you use gentle, it might spend up to 800 milliseconds. So once we have that, you can now close this item. So select this second one here, and then let's return the favor back to this item here. So this is going to be when the mouse leave. So mouse leave, we want to perform the same thing, smart animate, and then it should be slow. So now once we close this, we now have our animated component. Click back on the assets file here, and then I'm going to look for hero section here. Now I'm going to drag this and then drop this here. So we can now select this item here. Let's just go back to design and then center this. Select this item, then click on the prototype here. So now you see we have this. If I should scroll up here and then come back in here, you see we have this animation. So if you're new to my channel and you want to see the complete tutorial, I'm actually creating this, and then this will be ready any moment from now. If you want to see how I create this website from beginning till the end, please kindly hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next tutorial, which is going to be this particular design.